Namaskar. Today we are making chana dal kachori. Chana dal is very popular lentil और इसमें कचौरी means small puffed pieces of flour or dough in which you fill the chana dal. Now a basic thing with chana, with any kachori, is a few basic ingredients. So just let me show you the way I have rolled out the kachoris in this manner and taken it in this shape, and I'm going to fit it in the palm of my about 2 teaspoons of the kachori here. You need the seeds, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. ऐसे करके हम लेंगे और उसको बंद कर देंगे. किसी भी कचौरी में बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो चाहिए, नमक is salt, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, ajwain seeds, you get it in Indian grocery stores, red chili flakes. Red chili flakes is also readily available. I have a whole bunch of red chili flakes. You need cumin, coriander powder, and I use something special, that is the ghurni masala, or you can use any form of it comes with all the small seeds, like they have a mixture of the masala is the spice, the Indian spices, very Ayurvedic and very important for our health as well. So you take the kachori and you make a well and you put the filling inside. Now what I had done yesterday, कल मैंने क्या किया था कि I had taken the चना दाल और उसके ऊपर अच्छी तरह से पहले फ्राई किया था घी और clarified butter में, and उसके बाद I gave some cumin seeds, जीरा, ajwain, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, jeera, fennel seeds. I have it ready in my spice rack, and also garam masala. So 1 teaspoonful of garam masala, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, ajwain, coriander seeds. इसको पहले हम लोग भून देते हैं. We have to fry it, and after we fry it in ghee or clarified butter, we will have to let it cool down. The kachori dough, as you can see, that is I have taken oil, लेकिन आप लोग घी भी ले सकते हैं. इसमें थोड़ा सा अजवाइन, चिली फ्लेक्स है, और जितना भी सीड्स है जैसे कि कोरिएंडर सीड्स, फेनल सीड्स की अपनी बहुत उम्दार खुशबू आती है, एंड उसमें थोड़ा सा क्यूमिन सीड्स है, फेनल सीड्स है, ऐसे करके ज़रा ज़्यादा अमाउंट में गरम मसाला है, लेकिन क्योंकि इफ़ यू डोंट गिव मोर अमाउंट द फ्लेवर विल नॉट कम. तो ऐसे करके दे के वी कैन मेक इट इनटू अ क्रम्बली डो just in this manner, and then we can after I made the well, I filled in the filling, और इसको ऐसे करके हाथ से हल्के से प्रेस नहीं करने से ये टूट जाएगी. मुझे I remember कि when I was very small, 9 and 10 years old, all these big artists would come to my house. My mother, Professor Kishwar Bhatt, was head of the Department of English, and she used to invite all these Pandit Chitresh Das, जो कि उनके I'm sorry to say that he just passed away. He used to come with his big group of 10 girls, and because my mother was in his school in Nritya Bharati, and he used to say Kishwadi, 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 oh bolo na Mughal kote ki hoy, and he used to take out all this information from my mother because she was the heroine like Radha, and he was always Krishna at the Nritya Bharati school. And also I remember his father very great artist, Prahlad Das, and he used to come and sit in our house for hours, and I used to see these artists and wonder, and I developed this feeling of Kathak from childhood at the age of 6 or 7. And so as I'm going to show you in a little bit a while how to fry these. But relating these stories is important, because you must remember that what are your roots. You know, when I grew up in Calcutta, you cannot forget those. Even though now I'm in New York, all those memories, जो कि स्मृतियाँ हैं. You know, Prahlad Das, his father used to come and he showed me the ghungat, the out, you know, like this. He showed me. He said, come here, and he showed me like this. And then he said how to take the pallu and how to remove it. That is what I teach some of my students. Okay, so we will now roll out the kachoris over here. Low heat, otherwise kachori will be burnt. जल जाएगा वो नीचे से करके गोल गोल घुमाकर. तो दूसरी तरफ wow, gorgeous. Both sides. Serve it with aloo dum, aloo ki tarkari, and strain it in the strainer. For 5 minutes, otherwise all the oil will remain. Five to 6 inch diameter. Just plain roti, no oil. वृंदावन में वसंत विहार और स्प्रिंग टाइम। वृंदावन में वसंत विहार पल्लव कुमुदिनी पुष्पक फूल गांधारी, कण कण नील हरे लाल फूलों की सुगंध से तितलियां मंडराई। चांद चकोर राधिका के मुखर पर भंवरे गीत गुनगुनाई। सजी श्रृंगार बात पग घूंघू। होली आई सफ़ेद साड़ी पहन गोरिया को रंगीन बनाई। शाम गोपिया संग खेले पिचकारी, लाल गुलाबी नील रंग बिरंगी मुखर पर शाम लाई। ओस की बूंदे रीजे टिप टिप बरसी कोकिल पखारू बनाई। श्याम गोपिया संग रास रचाई। It's a small description on the Radha Krishna at Vasant springtime, and they are it is holy time, that is colorful colors, red, green and blue all over the air, and that is also a bhakti bhav in the Kathak language. Coming back to the dish, we are making chana dal halwa. Chana dal halwa, my mother used to make it a lot. She used to make it like a dark chocolate. So tasty yet so simple. So I have taken 1 cup of chana dal, gram flour, and I have boiled it. I have mashed it in the food processor. So first step is to boil it and then grind it in the food processor till it becomes like a paste. And then we have to fry it for long. All day my mother used to fry it in ghee and sugar. When it becomes red, you add the sugar and you can add badam that you have on hand. So that's what I'm going to do today, chana dal halwa. Almonds or badam, I'll fry it on medium high heat. Adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. वाह, इसका जो खुशबू है, now I feel like eating it before cooking it. If you find with some roasted almonds. After 10-15 minutes, when it becomes a little red, then you can add the sugar. Chana dal halwa. You can make parathas with those. Puran puri or paratha, which we have at Diwali time में खाते हैं ना हम लोग, puran puri paratha. I have taken जैसे कि 1 कप होल मिल्क या दूध, उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा से ऐड कर रही हूँ मैं. जैसे शक्कर ऐड किया, चीनी और शक्कर, उसका कलर भी चना दाल का कलर जो कि अभी घी में फ्राई हो रहा, लाल धीरे धीरे करके लाल होगा. ताकि लगे नहीं और to keep stirring it. It should not get burnt at the bottom. We have to fry it in some ghee, sugar, and a little bit of whole milk. चना दाल में या किसी भी हलवा में थोड़ा सा दूध ऐड करेंगे और उसको चॉकलेटी पेस्ट की तरह हो जाएगा. और उसमें चीनी देते देते उसका रंग भी पकड़ेगा. इट गेट्स डार्क रेड.